I love this story so much. During her final cross-country meet of the season, our next guest ended her race early to help an injured runner from a rival high school. She walked a quarter of a mile with her competitor on her back until she was able to find help. To me, that is winning the race. From North Dakota, please welcome Melanie Bailey and the runner she helped, Danielle Lanou. Well, first of all, aren't you just an amazing young woman? I mean, I just think that you're so cool what you did. Explain. It was a 2.4-mile race, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you didn't know each other at all.
No.
Never met.
Never met.
and you're running a race, and
we were a little past the 2-mile mark, and I noticed Danielle, and she was crying really hard. And I've seen people cry from strained muscles.
Oh, wait, let's explain. It was like not on a road or anything. It was like kind of a trail in the woods or something.
It's a golf course. We run on a golf course, and where we were at was behind like a big row of trees. It's kind of where I fell. It was behind.
So
no one could see me.
No one could see you.
No.
And well, I guess we should. What happened to you exactly?
Just running, and the race was doing pretty good, and I felt a pop in my knee, and I fell to the ground, and I couldn't get back up. My knee hurt really bad, and about 50 people had passed me, kept running, and I was just
sitting there crying out, and everyone just kept going. Did they glance at you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. They kind of looked at me, and I was just like, "Good job!" And I'm just laying on the ground, and and then all of a sudden Melanie came and picked me up, and.
So you just did you think about running past? Did you run past and then go back, or did you stop right away?
I just stopped right away. I mean, she was crying really hard. She needed help, and I couldn't just leave her there. She needed help.
Good for you. Yeah. All right. So then did you think, oh, I'll just help her up? I mean, you obviously didn't think I'm going to put her on my back and carry her.
No, I put her arm around my shoulders and tried to get some weight off of her leg at first, but we didn't get very far.
Yeah, because what had you the patella? Is that?
Yeah, I tore the patella tendon right here. It's the one that runs across your kneecaps.
Okay. So you couldn't hold her up, and then
I just stood in front of her and told her to get on my back. And she started sliding off because she couldn't really latch on.
No.
She was in a lot of pain.
I was trying to hold my knee at the same time as holding onto her, and I'm trying not to choke her. And
oh my God.
And I carried her for about a quarter of a mile, and then medical help came onto the fields, and I put her on a golf cart.
You carried her for a quarter of I mean, look at the pain you're in holding your knee like that.
Yeah.
That is unbelievable. All right, so you finished the race. Once she got help, you then got back into the race. That slowed you down a bit.
A little bit.
So how many people were in the race?
I think it was about 180 people.
And what did you come in?
178.
Okay.
So I wasn't last.
All right. Whoever came in last, I mean, that's really... That's really... They didn't stop and help anybody. So you came in 178. So I just think you're amazing. You're an incredible and inspiring, and I wish more people... I can't believe 50 people passed you up, Danielle. All right, I got you something, Melanie, because you won. You won. You came in 178. And it says she came in 178. So that's for you. And then each of you are going to get a 7-night super inclusive stay at Breeze's Resort and Spa in the Bahamas. White beaches, water activities, a relaxing spa treatment for 2, and you're going to have fun. And if you notice the top, you're carrying her also. Right? So,